Alright, so I got a polygel kit from Amazon. I filmed it and it was such a disaster. Like, I was out of the frame for most of the video. So bad. But I wanted to change the shape. So I did like a almond stiletto, because it's not like really stiletto and it's not very almond shaped. And these these two broke. I'm not flipping you off. I saw some videos and it explained like why it might have broken. One was it being too thin, and two, if I didn't do the sides enough, then that's why they broke. Because when I did my other hand, or the other, I did like a coffin shape, it didn't break. It's hard trying to do these damn polygel and then try to get underneath and like hold it enough without it lifting. Not to say I won't try it again, because I want to perfect it, because that's just the type of person I am. Like, I'm not gonna give up on it, I'm gonna try it. But I do want to try another way, which is using nail tips. So I got the stiletto ones, still got these soak off ones. I saw this, somebody used this too to take off their polygel. Went to Walgreens and got this glue. And then I got this from the nail supply store too. This is IBD LED UV bonder, and I got one of these because it's just going to be easier to just clip them off. I'm going to remove these nails. So right now I'm just trying to take off the top coat, like the clear coat, so that the acetone can go in it a little bit better. Boom. So I'm gonna let these soak for a little bit and then I will come back. Do you ever just like hate wasting money on things? Because this don't work. I'm just gonna have to pour some of this in there and let my fingers soak. Alright, so I finally got it off and kind of destroyed my nail, which is why a drill would come very in handy. I'm gonna do one finger first. It's gonna cut. Wish me luck, guys. Remember this time when my grandmother used to live in New York? I actually used super glue to put on fake nails, and I remember going in the bathroom and just like sitting on the floor trying to get them off because I didn't want to get in trouble. And my finger like was white. These are way too long, so I'm just gonna cut them here. Might be still a little too long. I'm gonna file it first before I do anything. Legit using like hair cutting scissors. Let me pour some of this alcohol. Put some of this dehydrator. You guys, I'm so freaking nervous. I'm so nervous. I believe people use the bonder like all the way through. It's pretty thick. I mean, not thick, but like watery. I'm just taking some acetone and just cleaning around the nail. I'm gonna put the base coat. So let's get started. I don't have like a slip solution, but you can use 70% alcohol, so that's what I'm using. I'm gonna take the slip. And it's like you can't have it too wet and you can't have it too dry, if that makes sense. So basically with this, I'm literally like building it like if it's acrylic. Here we go. Again, I'm out of the frame. And it's blurry. So I'm getting close to the cuticle, but when I get close to it, it's like lighter, it's not as heavy. And then I'll start moving more product up. Look at me talking like I know what I'm doing. I saw that people like this because like it's not like acrylic where like it like dries quickly, I guess. So you have to like quickly form the nail and all that stuff. Like this one is a little bit easier to work with. This is definitely gonna take me some time to like actually learn what I'm doing. Yeah, I have to do like the pink because I can't tell like if I'm getting it on the nail because it's clear. So I'm gonna have to do pink. I kind of already like this because kind of because I just started, but like I don't have to worry about like holding the nail down and making sure like and then cleaning the bottom because even when I was taking this off I had it under my nails, so it's like they wouldn't come off unless I cleaned under my nail, so it's like really annoying. So I'm just gonna do one nail on camera and then the rest off because it's gonna be a really long video and like I said I'm learning, so I don't know what I'm doing. I'm gonna take alcohol and I'm gonna wipe it, and it's hard. I don't know if I want to do like another layer. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do another layer, but this time I'm gonna use the pink because I'm blind. I'm gonna shape it. I already had it shaped, so it shouldn't be like too bad. Honestly, it's not like super bumpy, so I don't have to like try to, how do you say, file it down too much. Okay, now we're gonna do the gel and top. Something's throwing me off here though. I feel like I don't have enough up here. I know exactly what I'm doing. Just kidding. So now that I got the shape the way I want it and filed it right, now I'm gonna go in with the top coat. Can I use eye glitter? I mean, it's glitter, right? This one, look how pretty it is. I'm gonna look it up. Okay guys, hear me out. I'm using NYX eye glitter, okay? And I'm putting it on the nail, and oh my gosh, I'm getting unicorn vibes, you guys. Unicorn vibes. I'm obsessed. I think I'm gonna do the whole nail like this. I'll take a little brush. I'm using all makeup brushes. This is hilarious. I'm just gonna clean up the edges before I put a top coat on it. I literally just saw a nail tutorial and was like, okay, let's just try it. I didn't even finish watching it. I literally said, let's just go for it, okay? Okay guys, let's hope for the best and let's hope that I don't get glitter all on my top coat.
I got glitter on it, but it's okay. Not really, but it's okay.
Like, look at that. Oh my gosh. Is that not a good nail or what? Like, please hype me up because I'm really excited. Ooh, ooh. And it's not bumpy. I was literally about to like dip my nail in it and then like kind of do that. Okay, so I'm gonna finish the rest of my nails and I will come back with the rest. Oh my gosh. It is currently 11:44 p.m. and I'm done. Oh my god, it took so long, but I am obsessed. That is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it wasn't a hot mess. It probably is because it's me. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you maybe on the next one. Bye.